Charlie, you know where I talk to you the last time about so some person me say oh you be a manager Charlie. So what I say, oh me the be a me who am me spy was me who say oh body no unya easy body na kasa tiapo nti oda some na person be two anim no say me will be a me yadao style bi Yada style biabi Charlie unantia kwa na kumuni o me hu unantia kwa na sema dwen
onim bibi munyina mo ya me brothers what you say
o minim
say me pel that canteen what you say you no be my level I no like am
unya ti no me bi asine jade opeso chere no me cho me be cho high level baby a wona nam no we oba o so do level bi o so onya be ma na mo ye nkabom ba ko na ne de na mu so ati ase enjeja hu sa o me no kwa na e ko no be ka mo se la na twem tebe ya ti no ma simple ne ja John ne kwa me sema o ye no me nye izo se me meka che kala kwa se me pe no ba o mi hu no o ye nipa bi adam akoma so na me cho no me hu so o ye need girl upon bi a we neat so ati ase ti no ma bi asine ja o ye no
me I no like your type.
Why? What thing they do?
Somebody like you, no.
What thing? Show me.
My type.
Show me the meaning. Show me the meaning. What thing? Because I'm a fat.
You not be fine boy. Oh, you be bad boy. You be dirty boy.
I'm a thief. You hear that me? I see some people goose before.
That one there be your matter.
Or you see that
thief. Somebody where they sue.
Where you the crazy? Why they tell me I resemble a thief? Sure. If you don't see me, I'll go slap you. Where you see me, I'll slap you.
Say omuka so obu man na yampa. Enti ka be fa na me abe punching bamboa.
Now where that you talk me I resemble a thief.
Shut up, come out for there. Your nyas.
Me they shut up me. Charlie. You this guy, me I go show you say me I did this town. I go show you my Rabada Stalia. Me I go show you say me when I tell woman say I love her, the woman don't go. Me any way where I go find to catch you, me I go catch you. You don't know the person you are joking with, eh?
Yep. Hey, I'm respect to the consul. Respect. Hey,
Masa,
I got to show some respect. Sorry. Baby girl, have a seat, yeah?
Thank you.
That's what it is.
What is that?
You talk say my sister. Me for this would you see say me at the house some sister.
I'm probably most only about until I blah on anything. But before some better, I'm not disrespecting you. Confirm very pardon for
I beg.
No, before you talk, make you come clean it. Make you come clean it.
Hey, virus.
I said make you come clean it. I did my one.
I did show some respect to the.
I said make you come clean it.
And also you know about virus before now. What do obey? But now,
no, me my catch several times. I said you can do it anywhere. Now you part of me.
Sitting, sorry, what's on the area?
Boys, man,
they got to show some respect to the gods. The way they talk, say, come clean up. I do give you. They can do it for you.
I want our fan.
But you nigga, why?
Make you go put them for us. See.
I'm on mine.
Odo.
Baby so no.
Sweetie,
now make you flow your matter, give the flow.
That's what it is. You know, this be the girl way day by day, way I can't sleep, way at the talk, way day my mind, me call your name so crying on I don't know. Queen Jane.
That's it. Let's see.
Queen Jane.
Also going here.
What's on the community?
How you look at
me with this fresh guy you talking
about? You don't know. She don't know.
You look at me.
Do you know your name?
You don't know your name.
She don't know. She don't know.
You know your name.
She don't know. Oh, she don't know.
If you don't talk to her, I'll curse you. She don't know your name.
She don't know.
I don't know.
I thought you said she don't know.
I don't
You
know.
see,
the place.
Maintain your level.
The place.
Maintain. Wait, the one spot the brand. You don't want for the brand.
Okay, shit. I tell you, who's there? And I'm out running the
Yeah. So I decide say you be my family, you be my good. Make a take come greet you for you to know say Stana in fly there be this. That be so way I they want bring them to you guys. That's what it is. And then be Queen Jane.
As for that idea, you have done well.
So you will queen for real.
Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Where you stay?
I do Asqua.
Asqua.
Yes.
Oh,
Kill a view or
No.
Asqua.
Asqua. It be crab you only day there.
What did I know? That's why
You don't go
What did I know?
You get this tower away, you don't go anywhere.
Oh, come on.
You know Ale, that's what for me there. Oka chia makina no. Na chia kuma se mo no right. No wa chia asfa court.
Eja.
Yeah, man. Call me Stone.
Stone.
Or war.
Stone.
Yeah, man.
Eja, me imagine that. Hey, where there? Eja, what was so me?
Sir.
I mean, him so more the say.
Ah. Sometimes I go, I'm calling you, I'm checking you, and you shot me rough. Right now, today, next time, next time, no. We say, minye bayire abrewajo. Tembe na besan baby.
Eja, no.
Yeah.
And you say be a waja me kwan se me nkokran na kan be se me mistake.
We stay her. No. We need chances, sir. Why? Step by step, eh? Step by step. No. You know be the to be even time. You know be yourself. You go. Okay. Yeah, mama na menya wakwa kakra. Aye. Osa. Who wants to
Stone.
Yeah, man.
Stone. I feel you.
Thank
I
you.
feel you.
You sit down. I'm coming.
Okay. What we Nicola Yana? Hey, yes, sir. Charlie, where the way to the place where you keep long?
Ade. But money matter. Didn't come this thing, the place.
If you don't have money, why you they go through that?
So the guy be yabbing.
No, be this lady where you tell us where you fuck
I'm
you.
telling you.
So what's happening?
You know, say, my mouth.
You in there?
Oh, say the people how or kasa. Would do the pemu and would dream home or jidi or jinsrene. But we are killed.
You in there? You in there, lady?
Chad.
You in there?
This is my winner.
Cha.
Massa. Oh, president, you didn't hear?
Tell you down where you down.
Thank
Hey,
you.
I'm going to tell the people say you win that Hey.
Yeah.
So you do am where?
Massa. You know you go safe.
Hey, I trust you.
Me treat kakadro with Simon tia pepper and kitten. I'm massaging my waist. It so me so musa we are kwadana me so musa
Like a wheelbarrow.
Awurade me
Yeah.
nwa say ya.
Kali. So friend. The way na one year cry. Oh. What do you do? We do fucking things. How? Then I'm here fucking. Because so wo permasem woni gime ho. Oh yeah. Na pemia. Say enye nkola. Eni say okoka kire wo namfofo nyina nim. O frɛ me a me yete asefo o kasa mete. O kasa mete woni. Ka kire me nko ni say obeka kire wo nyina. Say that I'm person me wu funga mbubu fu pa.
Shit. Yeah, what's up? Seriously, like if somebody we like you get fine face. And then like the way you did, it be like civilization day your eye top.
This boy, you get vibes so
You know
well.
the vibes we I get. If you true talk we my bro, I dey lie.
No, how you feel
Oh, yo, what's up?
Because my grandma is on Kasami who you. They no said the mistakenly miss she go so me and then now say yeah. I'm not quite about you by now no one thing I know me on.
Oh. Not me, I assume.
Okay, make a cut long story short.
I beg, cut it short.
Make them short like news in brief, you understand?
Your vibes no. Hey, this guy, your vibes.
Like, some she is in goose, and I want 10 pen of a catch.
What's today?
Is you in goose on catch him said, this is the one. You understand? Ask my heart, say, this is the one waiting where you talk. See, like, this is the girl we like before marry one time.
Marry straight up.
Straight
How
up.
if I see someone just one day won't marry her?
If the matter they talk, make you no challenge them. Where the matter talk, we challenge them. Some headache we get now. The whole world paracetamol combined together.
I beg. The vibes stay so. The vibes be too much. You for make a forgive the vibes, but
I can't say one question. So they will see whom in a man can question. Me a barber. I am a barber by profession.
Yeah, barber by profession.
Yeah.
Are you the Justice the barber or
no, I'm
Celebrity
not
barber?
I am Virus the barber.
Virus the barber.
Yeah. Kwabno Wusu, Black Stars, Minamino. As I'm waiting, Black Stars, Minamino. A 3 year aqua, Black Stars, Minamino. They're watching. They're watching.
I know that.
Yeah, they're watching. Say, if you know, Trasako to me friend privilege and Mabaku.
Boy, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure say the baba all these guys?
Kelvin Muniru, because I'm Boba, a corner Bewa, I'm trying to maintain yeah, hear me, you woman, you never worry, and then never worry one moment. I am young, Casamayade, no worry. And the end of the cemetery in the crime, my brother Dila.
No, I will feel like, mammy, I can't say P. I said, yeah, you inside home come out. Since we feel so good, so I tell punish us said by another. I'll give you cemetery.
You see, if that be the case, then I for Jaguar you first time. They be my childhood friends. You know, me and the dear girlfriend call them, you know, I think so. Minimum BB auntie, someone in BB and if he say, oh dear, it's okay.
And yes, no money will be cry. I was so to keep a secret to be. Me no quiet. Yeah,
no problem. I'm here sorry.
But man can be very anxious.
Oh no, I won't do that. Hey, carry the Kali. I will show the cross. Anything that crosses says, it go die. I did hear that you. Darling, give me 5. You know, like this. So see, I love you to the fushe. In Congo.
Take fushe away.
Oh, why? Hey, be where though?
I don't like that word.
Remember, mobile money.
When you say who me yet, I go free I like money. Me pay money.
I love you. So I go base. I go Jaguar you say. Okay? Carry the Kali. But maybe she. When it was critical, it's of the game and your favorite rapper stands my disciple.
Sada no me dana jokra mamuni di.
What it is,
nigga.
I said
your friend that?
My friend that.
Best of offenders, you get a vibe song.
My apprentice as well.
Vibe song. Shall I be relax? Give me. Make I go think about it. Come here. Give me some time.
Now what we think about.
Shall you know I say I've been new for this town inside. I did, yes. Though I'm single, but I need to see things stop and see if things go work for me. I beg, give me some time, Sure, relax, give me.
Actually, the way they talk, where your mouth they do like this now, it be like some quiet lady way you come for this village safe.
Beg, dog, wait, give me. I will give you a response now.
You know they deserve this village.
Where is this?
If I do marry you now,
where go take me go?
I go kneel for some water in your face and beg them, then take money from them, take you abroad.
I beg, take me go abroad. I won't go abroad, self. I won't go.
I will come your house tonight. Me, I see say yourself now, you dey feel me.
Hey, I know they feel you. Make your head on the sweet you like I dey feel you. I know they feel you. If your head is sweet you like I dey feel you. I know they feel you. I just say you relax, give me. Make I go think come. I'll give you a response like
if you know they feel me, if you know they feel me, I make you sleep for the floor.
Why for sleep for the floor?
I said if you know the film, I make you sleep for the floor.
Why for sleep for the floor?
You say you feel me.
Oh, me I don't go feel. No. Why for sleep for the floor? No. I don't go feel, but I don't go.
Talk me say you feel me.
Oh no, I beg.
Okay.
Give me.
If you know the film,
oh, how for do that thing? How? You won't make I hurt myself. How for do that thing?
Okay, if you know the film,
oh boy, relax. Do you want me to go?
Everything she say, she feels.
I don't feel you, but I just want to say I won't go take about.
If you know the film, I make you slap me.
For that one there, you know.
This girl, she be bad. She be bad. I will come to your house tonight, okay?
Alright,
Right,
sure.
yeah,
You go
expect
crush,
that,
yeah.
You crush.
Hey, change child.
I mean, not
Vibes
down.
on, vibes
The
on.
BAB.
See
Ah, you spoiled there. You spoiled there. You spoiled
Charlie,
there.
my guy. Make you see body, make you see Nash. Make you see Nash. This Nash, if you no got cash, you go chop.
How you get this thing if you no get money? I pray, God give me money.
You see what me I dey think now. What do you think? The thing I dey think now to see is if you get this body.
I do it for my rock star. Make some money. And never coming, but a lot of people ready talking about the dude. Must be doing things your favorite rappers be wishing he could. And no swagger right from say for myself, would that be my hood? Yeah, I know. Even the Bible talks about my hood. But since you can't say one can't tell me the hardest city.